Symmetry. Hi, I'm SymmeTree. Let's talk about symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is when one side of an object mirrors the other side, like in the letters T and M above. A line of symmetry divides a symmetrical shape in half. Some shapes can have more than one line of symmetry. Make this leaf symmetrical by dragging over its matching half. Ha ha! Wow! Nice job! Great! Correct! What is rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry is when a shape looks the same when it has been rotated less than a full turn. To understand rotational symmetry, imagine the object rotating around like the propellers of a plane. Which log has rotational symmetry? Wow! Correct! Great! Ha ha! Nice job! Chop till you drop. Rotate each log so the line of symmetry is up and down, and then chop it in half. Uh-oh. Correct. That's not... Oops. Wow! Ha-ha! Wow! Nice job! Great! You did it!